Jersey number 2. Foul. Committed by jersey number 10. First personal foul.
At tabi may purong kuha sa may punas ang poste, yung pwede ka pakapurong ko. Kaya may dugat ako lang katita mo muna, kaya ay kay Humina, kaya baka makakon.
Out of bounds, three ball.
Basta may chance na may purong kuha.
3-point bars, Kabus. Rebound taken by jersey number 12. Now jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Drop pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, out of bounds. Jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 5. Back to jersey number 2. To jersey number 5. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Jersey number 13. They drop pass. Foul. Committed by jersey number 25. First personal foul. Three-point, 1-0. 2-0. Now jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Deflected still. Post to post, shot, pag-last na guwapa, duwa ko mo. Rebound taken by jersey number 2. Now jersey number 2, attacking the basket, play ball. Go. Pass break to jersey number 28, layup, 2 points, 4-0. Now jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 25, 3-point. Foul. Rebound taken by jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 20. Now jersey number 20, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, back to 20.
Low eye.
Violation.
Low eye ni Gomo. Low eye ni Gomo. Low eye. Low eye ka mo duwa.
Now jersey number 2, dribbling the ball.
Low eye man ka sa bungi man to.
3-point bias, no good. Foul, committed by
Bungi
jersey
man
number
to.
19. That is the first personal
Bungi man
foul.
to. Low man na sige mo.
4-0.
Wa mo pa yain pakatuon mo to sa balay tapos ang balanya ko na.
Pass to 20. 3-point bias. 3-point. 7-0.
Gaga sa eh. Wa mo pa to pakatuon din no.
Now jersey number 2, dribbling the ball.
Lagi ko akong bungi.
5 3 points. Bang!
Sana yung
Yes.
block mo sa
Deflected. 3 ball.
Mapas ko daw.
Tama. Balik. 3 points. No good. Rebound by 16. To jersey number 25. To jersey number 2. Now jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 5. Take. Pull up jumper. 2 points.
Sis.
Magawa mag-sim. 7-5.
Kadam ba po dito?
6
Damo,
minutes.
di ba ano? Ang
Jersey number 14.
chocolate,
Pass to
balot,
20.
tas
Jersey
mga
number 20.
sticker.
Deflected. Steal.
Tapos mapaisla higante.
Now jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 5. Take. Foul committed by jersey number 12. Salute, chap. Salute. Jersey number 12. First
Hoy,
personal foul.
pilingon si mo. Pilingon. Pilingon si mo na. Nagong ka na.
Go.
Hindi
Jersey
ka man
number 20.
ipag-upload.
Layup. 2 points.
Hindi ka man ipag-vote doon.
9-5.
Pilingon.
Jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket. Drop pass to 19. Foul. Basket down. Foul jersey number 1. So let's up.
Wala bot. Wala man ko. Tala ka man si mo.
A 3-point play. 8-9 sa bansi.
Sige punto.
Jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball.
Oo.
Steal by jersey number 2. Now jersey number 2. Layup. 2 points. James Baker. Abansi na sa biyak. 1 point. Jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 16. Drop pass to 19. Deflected steal. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 2. To jersey number 3. Off the glass. No good. Rebound by 16. Pass to jersey number 13. To jersey number 1. Out of bounds.
Tabi na. Ganyan ba ako?
Sunod. Takin ba mo? Takin. Jersey number 10. Takin ba mo?
Ha?
Jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 5, take. Pull-up jumper, block. Rebound by 19. Bansi kami isa. 4 minutes 22. Jersey number 20, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 19. Play ball. Pass to jersey number 28. Kaya foul. Foul committed by jersey number 10. That is the first personal foul. 4 minutes remaining time.
Pakpakin mo na.
Let's up. Wallace, yes.
Uy, pero baka mo wala.
Now jersey number 3 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. To jersey number 10. Deflected. Ball taken by jersey number 3. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 16. That is the first personal foul. 3 minutes and 50. Wallace, yes. Jersey number 2. 3-point foul. No good. Rebound taken by 28. Now he's dribbling the ball. Jersey number 28, deflected, ball taken by 16. 2 points at James Baker. Abansina naman 2 points sa kaya. Jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7, fake. Deflected. Now jersey number 2. Attacking the basket. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 1. So let's up.
Ano din na sige naman sa mga maras.
Out of bounds. The same ball.
Why kung may pinupod ba?
Jersey number 19, pull-up jumper, Lapao. Rebound by 20. Now jersey number 20, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 16. Traveling, sulit. Now jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 7. Attacking the basket, layup, Lapao. Ball taken by jersey number 7, out of bounds, same ball. Jersey number 2, traveling. Two minutes 27, 12-10. Keeps up. Jersey number 20. Dribbling the ball. Traveling man.
Patay yung nagulag sa kasi kinakit mo.
Jersey number 2, dribbling the ball. Fair drop, Lapao. Rebound by 16. Now jersey number 16. Play ball. Pass to 20. 2 points. 1 minute and 50. 14-10. Kids up. Now jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket. Fair drop. No good. Ball taken by jersey number 2. Out of bounds. Same ball. Also looks up.
Sino na 14?
Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 7. Back to jersey number 3. 10 to shoot. 3-point fires. Bang! 3 points. O isa na naman si Uno 23. Jersey number 12. Spin mo. Grab pass to 16. Foul. Foul committed by jersey number 16. That is your first personal foul.
Mga ano? Oy, agi na.
Ilaga po, Lapao. Rebound by jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 to jersey number 2. 1 minute. Jersey number 2, attacking the basket. Layup na guwapa. Rebound by 16. Pass break to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Third drive tapos. Out of bounds. Time out. 47 seconds remaining time. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. Jersey number 7. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound by jersey number 1. Try passing on this. Jersey number 13. Pass to 0 for layup. 2 points. Jersey number 2. 20. Kinsey. Jersey number 2. Sidestep. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 04. That is your first personal foul. 9 seconds remaining time. Basket first free throw. 17-14. 9 seconds remaining time.
Ang net ang gisi.
Two out of 2. Dua Bansi.
Dua Vanze.
5. Nagwa ka.
number 4.
Dua ka na, jersey number 04. 1 second, 1 second. 1 second.
And end of the first quarter, 17-15 in favor of Kids Up.
And our first quarter, score 17-15. Kids.
Second quarter.
The jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 12 to jersey number 13. Now jersey number 13. Drop pass to 20. Hot attacking the basket. Sidestep, no good. Follow up by jersey number 12. 19-15. Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to 5, fake to 19.
Second quarter.
Back to jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5, screen by 19, 3-point fires, no good. Rebound taken by 19, pass to 20, save. Now jersey number 20, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 19, layup, 2 points, 21-15. Now jersey number 30, pass to jersey number 5, step back, 3-point fires, no good, rebound by 19. Pass to jersey number 13. Now jersey number 13, dribbling the ball, attacking the basket. Rebound by 19, kick out to 28, 3-point fires, no good. Rebound again by 19, deflected. Ball taken by jersey number 30. Now he's dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 16, back to 30. To jersey number 5. Jersey number 5, spin move. Back to jersey number 30. To jersey number 5 to 19. Pull up jumper, 2 points.
2 points.
Seventeen 21. Jersey number 20. No good, rebound by 19, block. Ball taken out of bounds. White ball outside corner 25. Jersey number 20. Out that last 2 points. 23-17. Jersey number 30 out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Sulod ka. Tawag na to, tawag na to.
Score 23-17 in favor of Kids Up.
Jersey number 20, 3-point fires, no good. Rebound taken by Brown. Pass to 20. Fires, no good. Rebound by 20. Okay, the last 2 points. 25-17. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 5. Pass to 30. To jersey number 2. 3-point fires. Kabos. Out of bounds.
Si Dugdog ay ho. Nop doon si Bruno. Wala na yung kadto. Sa mga ginadala ko na siya. Wala na siya yung kadto.
Jersey number 28. Pass to 28. Back to 20. Jersey number 20. Time to shoot! Pulo naman siya, pulo. Jersey number 30. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 5. 3-point pass. Tatlo. Tapos lang. Rebound by 16. Back to jersey number 5. Japa. Sulod sab, sulod.
Sadya na maglalag ko na namin sa hampang. Kanala na ni improve pa na. Oo, igagmay pa sila ko.
Jersey number 12, dribble na ba? Pass to 20. Kawai, teardrop, tapos. Play ball. Ball taken by 19. Pass to jersey number 2. Now jersey number 2, dribble the ball. Screen. 3 points. No good.
No good.
Rebound by 30. Pass to 19. Pick. Okay. Time out. 27-19.
Time out. Trail. 27-19 in favor of Kids Up.
5:57 remaining time. Score 27-19. Kids Up.
Kids Up. Back to the ball
Jersey
game.
number 13. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 20. 3-point foul. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5 to 30. Pass to jersey number 2. Now jersey number 2. Nice play. Right at the last 2 points. Ano naman si? Three point. Pagkakaan naman tapos. Sulod-sulod.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Kali ka lang, tanong niyo.
Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. 3-point pass. No good. Ball taken by jersey number 5. Pass to 19.
Hindi mo lang namin.
Jersey number
Ako
19.
makalang ko chocolate ho. Hindi ko na. Wala sila ko chocolate.
Set to shoot.
Sa chocolate na ako na makalo.
Rebound by 20. Pass break to 30. Jersey number 30. Wow! Isang galaw eh.
Ang galing gumalaw.
Jersey number 3. Arma.
Outside.
Sulod sab.
Natigda-tigda to ulit na ba? Ay, kontreto. Cute-cute mo nung dati sa punta.
Nagaw. Jersey number 30. Out of last 2 points. Balik sa pulo, Mansi.
Out. Trail. Score 31-21 in favor of Kids Up. 10-point lead by Kids Up. Remaining time 4 minutes 24 seconds. Karoon lang mag-break sila.
4 minutes remaining time. Jersey number 20. Third drive, 2 points.
Wow! Crazy ang abanse.
Jersey number 5, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 19. Nice pass. Tapos pa. 2 points.
Oh no.
Foul jersey number 5, first personal foul.
Adyan na sila.
Ang kontra yung mga kit-kit sa tiyak.
Serious na sila.
Jersey number 13. Nagaw. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 2. No jersey number 2. Foul! Basket down! Foul jersey number 16. That is your second personal foul. Sunod, Sam. Sunod. Tuwa na foul mo 16.
Uraw sa laysay. Layaw. Buwan sa isa parehas. Parehas sa ay puta.
Uy,
Ilang gapon, jersey number 19. 2 points. Apat na naman siya, apat. Jersey number 12. Out of bounds, same ball. 3 minutes ha. 29-33, apat na naman siya. 3 minutes remaining ha. Jersey number 19, pass to 20. To jersey number 11, nice pick. No good, tawal, madali. Ano ba? Foul piece, out of bounds. Jersey number 2, dribbling the wall. Harassed by 11. Pass to 19, pick. No good. Rebound by 30, pass to jersey number 13. Jersey number 19, no good. Rebound by 20. Jersey number 5, dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket, tear drop, 2 points. 31-32, 33. Buwan na naman si.
duwa naman na bansi guys. Duwa lang abansi sa kids up naman. Nagbalik na naman. Remaining time 2 minutes 17 seconds.
Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to 20. 3 points, no good. Rebound by jersey number 12, ball to number 30. Pass break, Duwan na.
Danay mo sila duwa.
Duwan ka mo. 2 minutes, remaining time, 2 minutes. 3 points, tapos. Rebound by jersey number 5. Pull up jumper, tapos. Ball taken by 16, pass to 30. Pass to jersey number 5, 3 points, tapos. Out of bounds, 1:45.
Kabos.
1:45, dua alaman siya. Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Pull up jumper, no good. Ball taken by jersey number 5. Jersey number 5, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 2.
Guri di ba? Saan siya?
Tatlo dua. Jersey number 20. No good. Rebound by 13. One minute. Oh, 14 sa track lang, 14. 55 seconds, 14 to shoot. Tatlo, anto. Nakuha si jersey number 11. Foul. Foul jersey number 19. Nakuha na foul po 19.
Shot na!
47 seconds. Pungkolang. Pungkolang, Joey ka, pungkolang. Rebound by jersey number 2. Now jersey number 2. Nagtangasan. Wala, foul ka. Jersey number 12. Sunod. Sunod sab. 35 segundos, 35. Jersey number 2 left, no good. Foul ka.
Right again.
One out.
Diretso. Na.
Wala!
Sulod.
2 points. 5 seconds.
And end of the second quarter. 35-33 in favor of Kids Up. 2-point lead.
Dua lang man siya. Adya dikit lang. Jersey number 19.
Wala!
Pass the 30. To jersey number 5. Now jersey number 5. Hatak in the basket. Wallace. Wallace. Jersey number 20, 3 points. Kanto. Rebound by jersey number 12. Third grab, no good. Now jersey number 5. Drop the ball. Jersey number 5, attacking the basket. Back-to-back 2 points by jersey number 5. Change the ball naman. Sino sa tiyak? Out of bounds, turnover. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5, attack. Page, Pinod. Abos. Now jersey number 20. Dribble the ball. Coast to coast. No good. Foul committed by jersey number 13. Jersey number 30, first personal foul. Out of bounds, same ball. Sunod up. Foul na, foul. Foul, jersey number 16. Tatlo ka na, jersey number 16. That is your third personal foul. Coach, tatlo na 16 mo. Sunod.
Tatlo ng 16.
Foul, out of bounds. Jersey number 13, breaking the ball.
Ay.
Okay, pass to jersey number 10. Kabos, dala si jersey number 10. Kabo, ilang ako, jersey number 20. 2 points. Wallace. Foul, committed by jersey number 10. Second personal foul, jersey number 10, dua na foul mo. Wallace. Jersey number 2, attack ng basket, deflected, pass to jersey number 16, kaya, out of bounds. Same ball, block to block. Jersey number 19, 2 points. Jersey number 20.
Maayo lang, wala magsulod.
Foul, jersey number 19. Tatlo mo sa sir. Jersey number 19 mo. Tatlo na.
19, tatlo.
Basket, bro. 38-39. Wallace. Jersey number 10. Illegal.
Number ano? naman, typical.
Jersey number
Wala!
Gano'n kasi doon. Yeah, wala.
inbound to inbound. Bad words na, bad words. Wala na bad words ah. Cheering na, cheering. Jersey number 5. Traveling, traveling. Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Sidestep. Wow, tapos. What? Nakasi jersey number 12. Out of bounds. 11 to shoot. Shot clock 11. Shot clock 11. 11 shot clock. Kabo. 5 to shoot. Out of bounds. 7 minutes remaining time. Wallace 39.
Ano? Hindi po ka ngayon larago.
Jersey number 30. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 13. Side step. Foul. May foul ka, may foul. Foul jersey number 16. Duha ka na. Tapos. Wallace ah. Sadya dikit lang ah. Wallace, Wallace. Wala duha.
Wala yun. Zero
What?
out of
Nakuha si
2.
jersey number 2.
Oy,
May foul, may foul. Foul jersey number 2. First foul. First foul jersey number 2.
Shoot, shoot.
Bansina 1 points o'clock. Bansina 1 points o'clock. Ay, salam.
1 out of 2.
Ay, lamig ako. Out of bounds. Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Hantak ng basket. Traveling, traveling. Dating, daglang ng defender. Traveling. At again sa referee bola. Foul na, foul. Jersey number 30, second foul. Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket. Drop pass to 20. Nabuo kita yan. Clean block. Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Kaway. Tablo, abos. Jersey number 20. Dribbling the ball. Deflected na Kailuwa. Jersey number 20. Kabos. Sunod to sab, sunod. Sunod. Jersey number 13, deflected, nakuha sa 0-4. Kanto, rebound by 19. Of the last 2 points. 42. Jersey number 5. 3-point fires. Rebound by 19. Ano ito? Hindi kita out sa akin bro. Offensive foul, hindi ko kita. Sino? Jersey number 19. Jersey number 19, apat na siya. Apat na siya, apat. Sunod.
Galing na lang. Celebration. Salamat na lang naman. Garaga sa akin.
Pass break. Play ball. Jersey number 16. Nagkawit na.
Liputan nila ho. Ay, mga disgrasya ang kabataan.
Sabi na mga kabiro, wala sa lodi sa court daw. Kabros. Utang itaklog. Jersey number 2. Nagwa pa. Ilan na din? 2 points. Jersey number 13. Lapaw. Rebound by 28. Deflected. Now jersey number 5. He's dribbling the ball. Pass to 30. 3 points. Kabos. Now jersey number 16.
Uy, kibig.
Rebound by 19. Pero kung wala to, dogi pa. Kung walang, dogi pa. 2 points. Agaw na naman. Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Jersey number, nice pass ka na. Isang pasa.
Uy. Isa pa. Uy.
Nakuha kasi jersey number 13. Pass to 19. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Foul. Kasulot sa time out. Jersey number 12. Doon ang foul mo.
Alam mo, toke pa lang gamay man.
Basket. 42-46. Apat. Kabos. Rebound by 16. Bounce on jersey number 2. Pull up jumper. Wala gapon. Out of bounds. Hindi mo siya dito natira. Jersey number 16. Dribbling the ball. 3 minutes remaining time. Jersey number 12. Attacking the basket. Deflected. Ball taken by jersey number 1. Now jersey number 1. Pass to 16. Mantikay sa pass. Awa yung masalo. 2:52. 2 minutes 52. Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 2. To jersey number 5. 3-point. Tatlo. Anto. Jersey number 20. Dribbling the ball. Tear drop. 2 points. Kailangan na sila. Hindi wala. Jersey number 2. 3-point. Foul. Foul good. Foul jersey number 12. Tatlo ka na. Sulod sab. Oh, tatlo ka tira. Tatlo ka na. Jersey number 12. Third personal foul. O, 3 shots ka. Foul good sulod. O, isa. 43-48. 5. May isa pa ka free throw. One out of 3 lang. Isa lang sunod sa tatlo. Jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket. Pass to 20. Take back to 13. Shooting. Jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 25. To jersey number 5. 3-point. Why good? Rebound by 16. Three-point. Rebound by jersey number 12. 1 minute and 30 remaining time. Jersey number 2. Bongo kita sa Elmo. 1.28, sulod sab. Time out, time out. Jersey number 25 to 7, back to 25 to jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 5. Oh boy, ano ba? Duha ka mo. Turnover. 1 minute 12.
1 minute 12, 50, 43 in favor of Kids Up.
Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball.
Taga na, kay champion na.
Pass to jersey number 20 to 20. 1 minute. 10 to shoot. Nice move. Nice move yan.
Grabe. What a move.
50 seconds. Jersey number 7. Offensive foul. Illegal screening. Jersey number 25. First, second personal foul. 44 seconds, 44.
44 seconds.
Yan ako, lang
Remaining
lang
time
muna.
for the third quarter. 52,
Jersey number
44 in
20.
favor of Kids Up.
40 seconds.
Game 2. Game 2. Final.
Jersey number 20. Third round. Gasolot ko din natin. Try
Ano
pa.
nagpasulod?
Hindi na pwede kay Jim. Foul na, foul. Dupalan. Hindi pa close yung mga mot. 23 segundos. Dupalan, hindi pa i-close ka mot mo. Foul ka na karoon. 20. 15. Layup. Grabe sa layup niya. 10. 5.
End of the third quarter. 54-45 in favor of Kids
Oh,
Up. Final quarter.
oh, focus again, focus. Oh, fourth quarter. Final quarter, good luck.
Good luck.
Agaw. First position, Agaw. Oh. Agaw man. Dosa, ito bounce man.
Ano, good.
Version number 5. Driving the ball. Out of bounds, shot clock 11. Shot clock 11 to shoot. Ten to shoot. Nice break. Taway. Out of the last 2 points. Pito. Jersey number 10. Pass to 20. Kick out. 3 points. No good. Rebound by jersey number 10. Pass to it. Another 3 points. Wow, paluan by 16. Black. Now jersey number 10. Wow, play ball. Jersey number 7 na po. Ano pa? Agaw naman. Pasang sa kontra. Foul. Foul jersey number 20.
Mata siya.
Sunod. Jersey number 20, first foul.
Hindi niya karipot.
O basket. 48-54, pito. Anom. O perfect.
2 out of 2.
49.
Number 5 free throw.
Jersey number 16.
Foul number 2.
Foul jersey number 2, 2 pa lang. Jersey number 2, second foul.
Gamay ah.
Sunod-sunod. Jersey number 13, attacking the basket. Drop pass ka na, isang pasa. Tama ka na scoop. Rebound by 19. Jersey number 2, dribble the ball. Behind the back. Nice pass. Foul. Dapat na-out ka mo. Foul jersey number 28. First foul. Isa pa lang foul yan.
First free throw
no
not
good.
counted. Second free throw.
Well, good.
0 out of 4.
Ball pick up. Another foul. Foul jersey number 19. First personal foul. Jersey number 2, side step. Pass to 16. Play ball. Back to jersey number 2. A boost. Oh, may foul.
19.
Foul jersey number 19. Dua. Mo, warning. 3 point. Tamaan yung maskog. Out of bounds. Right ball. Jersey number 13. Dribble the ball. Screen by jersey number 12. Now jersey number 13. Nagkat to si jersey number 16. Deflect by jersey number 20. Fair drop. 2 points. Jersey number 2. Dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket. Play ball to play with the fire. Jersey number 12. Pass break. Down. Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Behind the back. Down good. They are 2 points.
Remaining time 7 minutes. 60-49 in favor of Kids Up. 11-point lead by Kids Up.
Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket. Pull up jumper. Uwagi kasunod. Rebound by 19. Pass break. Kana, there's a pass break. 2 points. Kana, there's a pass. 3-7. Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball.
13-point lead by Kids Up.
Crossover. Spin roll. Foul. Kumawali mo lawas. Foul jersey number 12. Apat na jersey number 12. Apat. Sunod sab. Apat ka na jersey number 12. That is your 4th personal foul. Kawai. Kawai ko na sunod. Sama. Tento shoot. 3 points. Bro, wala rin. Ilaman na po. Out of bounds. Hindi mo sunod ang
Magsulod. Nakapoy na ang bula.
last 6 minutes. Lawin mo na. Go. Arabawi. Jersey number 2. Layup. 2 points. Jersey number 16. Turnover pa.
Ano, go.
62-51. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 5. Screen by 16. Fly by move. Wide it.
Ay, di po ba yung lagyan? Ay, may ano po.
Na-rebound yung jersey number 19. Pass to 13. Now jersey number 13, dribble the ball. Attacking the basket. Tapos, iwanan mo. Take out the 19. Jersey number 19 to jersey number 20. Jersey number 20, dribble the ball. Third round. Last 5 minutes. Tira-tira ka sunod din. Gusto ba, no? Jersey number 2, Ben. Okay. Rebound by 19. Para naman, jersey number 20. Tawal-tawal na naman, no? Aray ko. Big ball and big ball. Jersey number 2, dribble the ball. Spin move. Drop pass. Okay? Lapaw naman.
Remaining time, 4 minutes, 25 seconds. Pass break.
Hintay ko ba?
Bang, uy!
Inulat ka pa. Jersey number 16, pass to jersey number 2. Maranawi. Jersey number 2. Sulod, Sam, sulod. Jersey number 19, tatlo na ball mo.
First free throw counted.
52-66.
4 minutes, 09
Okay,
2 out of 2.
Sunod,
Free
Sam.
throw.
53-66. Lawig pa.
Lari pa. Doy, 5.
Last 4 minutes. Jersey number 04, coast to coast, drop pass to one. Tapos ito. Ball taken by 04. Kasi lang ko na natira.
Buenas rin ang hampang. Buenas.
15-15 kasi nulo. Di ba na sa Piakula? Besa ba?
Ay,
Okay.
talaga po.
Out of bounds.
Buenas ka nila.
3 minutes 38. 68-53. 15-15.
Oh. Kagapon silang daog. Ang puti.
Oh, it's a dance violation. It's a dance good. 3.27. O 14 shot clock lang ta. 14 shot clock. Wala ka tabok. 14 to shoot. Aray ko.
10 to shoot. Aray.
Galing ba na? Eh, oh my God. Jersey number 2. Oh, good ka sa look. Kailangan naman rebound. Jersey number 20. Lay up chicken. Last 3 minutes.
Last 3 minutes.
Sabi, salam.
Beba.
Hindi na sunod. Saba.
Bang, walang yapon.
Rebound by 04. Why did ka sunod?
Walang yan. Hindi kayo makakalo ng bola. Nag-alapos. Nag-aawat. Nag-alapaw. Gapa. Bang, walang yapon.
Saba. Gaw pa.
Bang, still.
Pass break pa rin.
Pass break. Ay naman.
Okay. Second to 23.
Oh.
Foul. Penalty ka, penalty. Sunod. Last 2 minutes 16.
First free throw counted. Two out of 2.
Gaw ba, jersey number 2. 2 points.
Time up.
Time out.
Time out.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Kaya kamo sa hinggat mangaway.
Last 2 minutes. Jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 12. Back to jersey number 20. Jersey number 2, dribbling the ball, attacking the basket. Tapos play ball. Out of bounds. 1:35.
1 minute 30 seconds.
Jersey number 14, dribbling the ball, spin ball.
Tira na.
Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Time to shoot.
Delay yan.
Agaw. Jersey number 2. Out of bounds. 1 minute and 6 remaining time. 1 minute and 7.
1 minute and 7. 75.
Last
74.
1 minute.
57. Remaining
Wala
time.
ka sulod.
Wala kang kasulod. Masyado.
50.
Wala! Wala yun yan. Wala yun.
O, jersey number 12, 5 na.
Wala, hindi kita yaw.
Sabi na sa jersey number 12, 5 na, 5.
Graduate na ang ano. Graduate na. First free throw counted.
45 seconds na lang, 45. Inay na mo, inay.
2 out of 2. 2 out of 2 free throw.
40 segundos, 40.
45 seconds. 75, 58. Score. 30.
Jersey number 2. Okay na. Inay na mo. Gamay na tayo. 30 na, 30.
Lingaw na sila.
Inay na mo, inay.
Ay,
Out of bounds, out of bounds.
out of bounds.
Wala na, inay na mo.
24, 20, 20.
15.
Champion na, Ketchup.
Mamali, mga 10 seconds na ito.
Champion by Ketchup.